Hey guys, this is Stephanie Farron, the media specialist at David W. Butler High School, and on behalf of Amy Slack, the technology facilitator, we would like to show you our first student tech tip of the week. So in your Canvas, did you know that on your dashboard, you can change your view with the three-dot menu in the top right-hand corner here from list view or recent activity to card view. So if your dashboard normally looks like this by default, where it just tells you the events and things, you can switch it over to card view, which is nicer. And you can see the little icons for your class. You also, in card view, can change the name of your classes. If you click the three-dot menu in the top right-hand corner of each class, you can nickname them. So you can call each class things like first period. You can change the colors of them, and then you also can drag and drop and arrange them on your screen. So that way, your classes are in order on your dashboard, so you know what's first period, second period, SEL, and so on and so forth. So enjoy that tech tip we learned from a student this week. That's a great tool to make your lives easier.